not showing this to brag or anything like that. I'm showing you guys this because I have asked you guys if you guys would like to see me do a declutter, and you guys said yes. So I moved the beauty room because I was recording behind the pack system, and I was like, you know what, I want to switch it up. So I moved everything, put it against the wall. It was clean for like a week. Nah, just kidding. I'm not even gonna give myself that much credit. For like a day. And then I just started seeing where I had room, and I would just stuff. So I need to clean. And I know, before anybody, oh my God, how can you function like that? I can't. That's why I need to do the declutter. I'm going to clean, and it's getting out of control. Everything has a place. I just tend to stuff. So I'm going to declutter as well and make it more of a comfortable space so that I can create content for you guys without being overwhelmed with my hoarding issues that I have. Like, it's a lot. But I make sure to keep like the gym area clean and stuff so we could like work out and everything. But over here is ridiculous. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, let's get started. If you guys have any tips and tricks, please let me know. So I'm gonna start going through the bags and emptying them out. I got this really cute shirt at Ross. Freaking love it. Can't wait to wear it for story time. So I tend to go shopping and then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do a haul on it, but I never get to it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I got this cute freaking purse from, I think it was Burlington, for my birthday. Super freaking cute. Love it. And now I'm just going around picking up things that don't belong here, like my daughter's boot. I don't know why her boot was there. And I tend to keep things in their packaging, you guys, for like the longest. I got PR I need to show you guys and go through. I'm always like, oh, I can't go through it yet. I need to show the FAMBAM. I need to start posting on either Instagram or Snapchat and showing you guys all the goodies. But I swear, I'm a huge procrastinator. I don't know why. But I'm showing you guys the goodies that I did receive. Salon Perfect sent me these cute nails, you guys. Oh, you guys know I'm a sucker for press-ons, and I feel like this style is absolutely gorgeous. I am so obsessed, and they're super duper affordable. They sent me these cute styles, which I'm obsessed with. Like, they're so freaking cute. I'm gonna let my daughter pick out the ones that she wants, but the black ones I already called. I'm like, yep, that's mine. ColourPop sent me their Naruto collection. Super freaking cute. My kids wanted different colors in the eyeshadow palette, but I was like, guys, I'm gonna make it work. Watch. But the collection is actually very, very beautiful. The glitter right here, oh, God's me. And the gloss, yes. Well, the lip oil, beautiful. This Game of Thrones has been down here for a minute. I need to put it away. My brother got me this juicy bag. So freaking cute for my birthday. Love it. Ipsy has been killing it with their boxes, you guys. The things that they send, I'm just like, yes, yes, yes. My color, my everything. I love it. I feel like the unboxings, I just don't know how to do unboxings anymore. I feel like I'm overthinking everything, you guys. So I got to find a creative way to show you guys my Ipsy goodies. Like right now. So that was the box. And then here is the bag. You guys got two different options that you can get Ipsy. And if you guys are interested, you guys can sign up with my social link. You don't have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. But I love it, especially the mini bag. If you are obsessed with minis like moi, you get your easy fix right here. And if you fall in love with the product, you can get it full size. And I just feel like it's really easy, you know, get the little sample, throw it in your purse, you're good to go. I got this razor. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been wanting this one because the other one I gave to my daughter. Yeah, I always drop something. And so I swear, I gave and then I received. I was like, yeah. The Lottie, you guys, I've been obsessed with the primer. The bubble tea primer is amazing. And these I've been loving as well. So yeah. Got another Ipsy box to show you guys. The prep and set I've actually been loving. This I still need to try. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Give me your reviews on it. The Touch and Soul, a fave. I feel like with eyeliner, you can never go wrong, especially if it's black. Yeah. Then we got the palette. This one is so freaking beautiful. So pretty. Salon Perfect hooked it up again with their amazing press-ons. Look at how pretty these are. The gold ones, they sold me though. The liquid gold, gorgeous. They also sent me this cute jewelry box for on the go, which I was like, that is so cute. I got PR from Burst. I think that's how you say it. I can't wait to try out the brand. I'm actually really excited. See how, you know, it works. Test the new, and I'll let you guys know. If you guys have tried it, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on it. Got another Ipsy box to show you guys, the iconic London blush trio. Let me know if you guys have liked this one. Got this El Maquillage palette. Gorgeous. Everyday makeup look. Yeah. Have not tried this, but I need to. I've heard amazing things. This neck cream is amazing. If you have not tried it, if you have not tried it, try it. No clay mask. I have not tried it, but when I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. The Ferrero brushes are amazing. They always are. Love them. We got another eyeliner. And this flawless lip filler. Oh my gosh, you guys, it really plumped my lips. So now we're gonna just clean up some more. I wanted to show you guys these deodorant wipes I got for $3. I hear they are really good. So let me know if they are, because your girl sweats. Stress sweat ain't no joke. Now for the packaging, I'm just taking things out of their packaging because I tend to keep everything. See, now I feel like we're getting somewhere. After we went through the PR, we cleaned up a little bit. I'm like, okay, we're getting somewhere. Picking up some random things. Sometimes Jade comes behind while I'm editing and just goes through my stuff. Now, this situation right here is another thing. We'll go through the drawers another day, but we're just going to take baby steps, okay? Baby steps. So far, so good. Over here, sweeping it up. Yeah. I feel like I made it more of a, this is a lot, and just procrastinated, so it felt overwhelming. But you know what? I got it. I went through it, and we did it. We did it together. Now I'm going to go recycle my PR packages because we don't throw them in the garbage. We recycle. A lot of you guys ask me, like, do you just throw them in the garbage? No, we recycle. Did you guys catch that? Yeah, I got hit in the face. Boom! Right in the cabeza. But yeah, recycling whenever you guys can is a must. And it just like frees up a lot of space, especially in your trash can. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty, day number 2. Now, time to tackle this part right here. Now, with my cleaning, it's very much like ADHD because it is like I'll be focused on one part, go to another part, another part, this part, okay, and then this part, and then like my weird OCD kicks in. Well, it's not weird, but that's what it's weird to me. Okay, well, I'll have to touch something for like 10 seconds to 10 minutes to see if it feels right. So it takes me a long time to get tasks done. But once I'm in the groove, then it is over. Then I can get with it and move things along. But it really does take a long time. I don't know why. But I put on a podcast, get to going, and try to not stack the mess or the stuff in a different area, like I did. So this time I'm really trying to put the things where they belong. It's super hard to stay on task. I feel like when I have to do things for other people, I can get it done. But for me, I can give me, myself, and I so many excuses of, okay, but this, but that, but like, what if you're going to do a video, you need this product, and what about this, what about this, what about that, what about that, so many things. This is my giveaway pile. You guys know I have a giveaway bin, so I'm adding the goodies in this box, and then I'm going to dump them into the bin. And I'm trying to make sure that I don't keep what I don't need or what I don't need to review, you know, like if let's say like a bronzer, if it's like a very like new bronzer and it has like new things, and I'm like, oh yeah, look at this cool mirror, you guys, love it, super cute, and it really caught my attention. But anyways, so like blushes and stuff, I don't need all 8 blushes, but if there's 3 that I like that I know I'm gonna wear, then of course I'm gonna keep the 3 and then give away the 5. You know what I mean, if that makes sense. But it's kind of sometimes really hard because I don't like separating things. I'm like, it came as a pack together. I want to keep it together. It is a struggle sometimes of having to do things like this and separating from things. I don't know why. I'm always very sentimental with everything. So when I do a bunch of products like this all at once, I'm super proud of myself. To you guys, you probably be like, what? That's crazy. But to me, I'm just like, that is a huge step, Lex. Good job. I'll hold on to things where I'm like, oh, this video, it got like, you know, this amount, or a lot of FAMBAM are commenting super nice things about this, so this product's going to mean extra to me. Everything I feel like has a story, everything, and I need to start giving new homes to the products as well. Am I the only one who thinks like that? Probably. But yeah, it looks like a mess, but I know where everything's at. Has anyone ever said that? I literally am so terrible at that. I'm like, yep, it's on here next to this brush, next to this aisle, this thing, da 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 da. That's me. But as I'm going through the motions, I'm getting better with it. Look at this big old box for this product right here. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. That is crazy. But I need to take things out of the packaging. I need to stop hoarding the packaging because I am bad with hoarding packaging. It's terrible, but it's a work in progress. Do I need all 4 of these? No, but I wanted them, so we'll talk later on that. I do need to declutter the shelves as well, so that's going to be a separate video, and I think I'll be able to do it on a day where like I'm feeling good, like a decluttering moment, you know, because I love every single palette. Like I'm obsessed with foundations and eyeshadow palettes. Yes, it is. It's bad. It's bad, and it might be a lot. It is a lot, but it makes me so happy, you guys. It really does. I feel like when I'm having like a bad day, I can literally come into my beauty room and just swatch away, and I am so happy. It's a lot. I know some things are expired, and I'm still gonna use them to a certain extent. But a lot of them do have memories. But I definitely need to declutter the drawers as well because it's getting a lot, Jane. It's getting a lot. I do declutter here and there. I give a lot to my family. I do a lot of giveaways. I do give back. So please don't be too harsh on me when you're like, Alexis, that's a lot. I feel like I'm very giving and I'm really not selfish when it comes to like makeup or products or anything like that. So be nice. It just really makes me happy. And I love a good deal. I love a good deal. I'm like, hell yeah. And yeah, that's that. With these Super Shock shadows, they are so beautiful, and the packaging makes them even more beautiful, so I'm gonna hold on to them and use them. I have a new rule: if I don't use a new product within a certain amount of time, I will either add it into a giveaway, give it to family. But if it's something I really want to hoard on to, then okay, you know, everything has an exception. But I've been getting pretty good with it. I think I have, little by little by little. And this is my job too, so that's another reason. Okay, I don't know what makes y'all happy. What makes you guys happy? Like hoarding. Well, I don't like hoarding. I think that's like a mean name. I just love collecting. Isn't it neat? Na 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 na. And the lipsticks from the Jurassic Park, one of them was 1993. I was like, yep, I need it. Yep, I need it. And things sell out. And sometimes you're like, oh no, I'll be back to get it. And it's not in stock or it's discontinued. That has happened to me too many times where I like something so much and I tell myself like, oh, it's okay. I'll come back and get it. I'll get another one when I finish. And then they discontinue the product. It's like, I knew I should have bought a backup. I'm huge in my backups. I got some new concealers from Koki that I need to review. I'm so excited. I love their products. This, I'm finally going through. This was my makeup bag that I took to Vegas. If you guys want to see the vlog, I will link it down below. And I packed some makeup in there, and now I'm finally going through it. I left it in there because I was like, oh, what if we take a trip sometime soon? Or what if I just have this bag, you know, just prepared just because of what if. Jade, stop. Just stop it right now. I swear. I am so terrible with excuses. If you need someone to give you good excuses, just, you know who to call. Ghostbusters. Just kidding. But this area right here, I think is pretty well organized. I have like my section for concealers, primers, lip glosses, lip liners, eyebrow. I feel like it's pretty good. All right, it's pretty good, but it could be better. It could. So I would really appreciate it if you guys give any tips and tricks. Oh, and here's my Steve Madden bag that I took to Vegas as well. So I'm just cleaning it out, taking the stuff out, and then I'm just going to put it away right here. Look how cute that is. And this is from Glow Recipe. They sent me some cute PR. This is from the Barbie, and it's so freaking cute. I love it. I added some more goodies to the giveaway box. And now I'm finally cleaning, Cloroxing everything. My friend sent me that. I love him so much. And yeah, I'm just cleaning up, doing the last, and it looks so much better. Tell me it doesn't, you guys. It makes me want to sit down and actually, you know, film and sit in here for hours. We still got to tackle this. So if you guys want to see another video of me decluttering, we will tackle this right here, because this we need to get with it, because of how I used to look, and then how we need to clean it. The giveaway box always makes me happy, like so freaking happy. Here's another view. It's done. I got it done. Get her done. Like, look at the before. Hi, Alexis. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. But look at it now. Beautiful. If only cleaning was so easy as 1, 2, 3 and blinking and it's done. But we took our time. We listened to some good podcasts and got it done. This right here, we will for sure tackle. It's going to be probably a couple part 1, part 2, part 3, but we will get it done. I know it. We will. We'll get it done. I love you guys. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy content like this. I'll definitely put more out for you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.